You take one of these 9x12 painter's drop cloths, wad it up into a ball, wrap some tape around it, put your tape on top so you can grab hold of it, and then we're going to shove it in the hole, the sewer tap, because we need one of those designed for French drains as a pop-up. But since this is on a driveway, to run over the way they poured the concrete, they got the concrete flush with the top of the pipe. Now we're going to take this, since this is designed for thin wall 4-inch PVC, we're going to take this ball of plastic that I made and shove it down there to try and catch as much of the plastic post toasties as we can get. I've got an old wore out 1/4-inch bit, router bit, carbide, that we're going to use to go around and around and around and around that thing so that we can get the cap to fit on there. And it doesn't matter if this hits concrete. It doesn't take much to cut plastic. You want to get it down there far enough so the bit don't pick it up, because boy, it'll sure make a mess. Lucky for me, I got the plastic in there because I lost my router bit. Evidently, I didn't get it tight enough. And there we go. Now we can run over it with the automobile and it won't damage anything or tear up our sewer line. Just need to make sure we take the plastic out of there. Nice thing about this, automatic lift up. If your sewer backs up, you'll know it real quick. Well anyway, I wish you all the best of luck if y'all have to do something like this. It's not that difficult. Just cut it off with a sawzall and then get your router with a bit in there.